Oh, Lord have mercy, he really went for it. Yes! Damn hammer too. That's mine now. See you, man. Should've got better. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time. It's Untitled Goose Game time. Now, watch Jacksepticeye play this. I am beyond excited. Oh, I am beyond excited to play this. It's been a while. Watch Jacksepticeye play. Also, talked about this earlier. Excuse me. What is this? Whoa, what are we doing? Look at that. Let me get the poster. Poster's a bit freaky, if you will. You see it. I can't see it. Lord have mercy. I can't see it. It's a bit... Don't worry about it. Fine, anyway. It's mine. You can't have it. Anyway. Untitled Goose Game. Let's do it. Is there audio? Yeah, there is. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. Hold on, let's check our sensitivity. Look at my graphics. It's so smooth. I'm gonna get butt naked. What? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hold on. What are we doing? Hold, that's fine. Music volume, turn that down just a tad bit. I like that. Alright. Do it. Let's begin. Oh. 2-player. 2-player? I'm alone. I'm sorry. Empty save? Okay, yep, that one. The yellow one. The yellow book. Oh my god, am I done? Goose? Oh! Oh! Get me out. Oh, goose. Lord have mercy, I am having more... I can run. Squeeya! Look how fast I'm going. Wait, oh, I feel boneheaded right now. Bring my way. Got my way, man! Ah! Get me out. Go this way, Mr. Duck. Also, geese? Most frightening thing on earth. Although I'm pretty sure I could putt one pretty far. What? How do I... Ah! Okay. We have a bell. Bend down and pick up things from the ground. Control, and then that one. Give me that. I have got a beer can in my mouth. Lord have... I think I've had a dream. I think I've had a dream where I'm a goose. Probably had. I think I've been here before. Where am I putting this? Put it on the stump. My bad. Hold on, pick it. You're littering, man. Grow up. Yeah, that's mine. Where's the garbage can? Just because I'm a goose doesn't mean I can't be respectful. And down, pick stuff off the ground. I did that already, man. Get this ball. Have it. Yes. Yes, look at this. If I go into here. Hide. Hide, little goose. Alright, you know what? Let's get out of here. God, our speed is incredible. Yeah. Oh. Oh. God. Oh. Oh. We did it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm excited. I need to focus up. Spread your wings. Wings. Can I fly? Oh my lordy. This, dude. Do I get to swim? Swim. Where am I going? So fantastic right now. Look at food. Having a picnic without me? Eat it? Oh, I dropped it. My bad. Now pick the other one up, man. What's wrong with you? Just nope, leave that one alone, man. Get that one. Got a shovel, set player, a hose. Zoom in. Oh, zoom out. Oh, oh. Man needs a shovel. All right. Don't leave the sandwich here for later. I mess with it. Say, give me the cassette player. Can we listen to tunes? I'm excited. Give me that. Okay, this music kind of sucks. Don't you listen? Sorry. Do list. Get into the garden. Get the groundkeepers wet. Steal the groundkeeper's keys. Make the groundkeeper wear his own hat. Say naked? Does. I can't read that, man. I didn't. Oh, man. I have a picnic. Wait, there's another one. Grab. Okay. Zoom out. Okay. Grab. Honk. Crouch. Flap. Zoom out. Okay. Wait, hold on. Oh! No! He's after me. You mother. Over here. Give me the keys. We can do about it. We can do about it. Give me the keys. Give me the keys. Oh! Try to step on me. Oh, man. Get away from me. Stop doing that. Run! Got the keys. We got the keys, man. Get in the water. Get in the water. Get in the water. Oh. Oh. Oh, he's in the water. Let me through. Okay, well, you have the man's key. I feel successful. Now, where can I sell him? Ooh. Secrets. Get in the garden. I'm in the groundskeeper. I like those little pitter patters. Here, can I hide? I'm scared. What if he comes back for me? Open this. Hold on. Do list. Wear his other hat. That hat. Okay. Put the keys in here. Oh my god, I almost did it. Oh. Over right here. I need him to wear this hat. How do I get this hat down? Maybe give me this. Give me this thing. Yes. Yes, little goose. Maybe you can poke it. Oh. Oh. Do you have any muscles? Can you lift? Gardener? I think I need help. I turn the faucet off? Don't get mad at me. Look at this. Can I fill this bucket up? It's heavy, man. There's a pumpkin, man. Alright. Hear the pumpkin? No. Alright, you know what? Fine. Let go of it. Make the groundskeeper wear his sun hat. That's what that says. My bad. Cursive is still a bit wacky. Alright. How do I get the hat down, man? You get your keys back. Get the rake. Not gonna chase me off, is he? Oh, look at me. What do you want? Get the hat. Get the hat. Alright, hold on. How can I get him to wear the hat? First off, does he have a hat on his head? That's important. He does have a hat on his head. What are you looking at, huh? Alright. This one. Oh. Gardner! You hear me? Help! Oh! Scare me off? Communicating. Okay. Hold on, so if we get... Okay. Yes. Come on. Come on. You've got this, Goose. Can I get on the box? Is there a jump option? Okay, let go of it. What am I doing? How can I get him to work? Get the sun hat. Let's see. I hate the groundskeeper wear his sun hat. Is there a rake in the lake? Bring the rake all the way there? Have a picnic? Okay. This is... We're looking good, man. Can I move this? Can I knock this over? No. Basket? How do I get the hat? There's a bit of jam right here. I think I need this. This is mine now, man. I've been clicking, by the way. Apparently you can just hold it down. Alright, this is my jam. I'm taking it. It's mine. Put it right over here along with my other picnic supplies. Oh, on land. On land. Alright. We're gonna have a picnic. Wear his sun hat. Yeah, how do we make it sunny out? Maybe that's the goal. Make it sunny out. Gardner! Your water's going, man. Do better, huh? He's running. Oh, oh, oh! He's running after me. Hey, hey, stay away from me! Just assaulted me. Okay. Let's see here. I want to zoom out. I want to see everything. Running. Let's see what some options are. Comes to like... There's a lawnmower. Can we start the lawnmower? Can we run the gardener over? Yeah, it's attempted. Attempted murder. Hello? Okay. Sure, he's got plenty of carrots, man. He wouldn't mind. Oh, 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 oh. He's after me. Oh my god. Oh my god. My carrot, man. How do I make him wear his sun hat? I need to either knock it off the door. Double. What are you looking at? I'm just a friendly goose, man. Oh. Let's see here. There. That or my brain's working overtime right now. Play some tune. Nope, I don't want that one. I want the one up top. Oh, my bad. Okay, fine. God. We just broke him. No, we didn't. He needs a shovel? What if I take a shovel? Stop scaring me off, man. You can't just kick a goose. What did I do to you? Oh. Wait, where's he going? Scared him. My bad, man. Open the door. Open the door. Help. 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 Fine, man. Don't open the door. Get over here. Oh. Oh, just stab me. Oh my god, man. Okay. Let's actually have like a look around. Got a lot of that. There's a hammer right there. I'm not this tall. Behind the bushes. This is a dope wallpaper right. There's a duck hide. Alright. The sun hat. And that's knocked over. Okay. With gardening. Bro, I am having, this is fantastic. I've never been more entertained. That next carrot. Helping out. Oh. Oh, my bad. I'm bruising carrots, man. I'm messing them up. Alright. Box. This one. Squeeze out. Squeeze out. This thing. What's this? Oh, a rose. I have the rose? Maybe it's a gift. Also, this is one rose. Oh, this is kind of messed up. Gift. Please open the door. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Oh, I feel kind of bad now. Well. You find a way out. Image? What's over here? Oh, there's secrets. There's secrets. My camera's breaking. That out the way. More. Oh wait, this is just a way out. Get this out my way. I know. Can I go through here? How do I do it? I have an idea. Let's go upstream. Go upstream, man. Fantastic. What's up here? The pipe. So you go in the pipe? There's a waterfall. Wait, staircases. Come on. Surely you can get up the stairs, Mr. Goose. Look at this unit. Careful now. The boot. How do I drop this? Me out. Me out, please. This isn't how you treat a goose, man. But fine, I'm going back. Maybe I can figure out how to get over here. To the left. Hang out with these other people by the road. Car, you see that? Stuff over there. People. How do I get over there and have a fun time? We're here with the old man, dude. It kind of sucks. Wait, I'm stuck. Wait, can I go up there? Nope. Please? Nope. Fine. We're going this way. Found a way. Never even looked over here. Alright. Made it. Did I make it? No! Help! Alright. Make the gardener wear his sun hat. Rake in. Alright, you know, let's put the rake in the lake. I'm taking the rake and I'm putting it in the lake. Lord have mercy, what am I doing? Eh. Where's the rake? I need it. I need the rake. How am I going to though? The gardener is pretty, he's got a pretty watchful eye, dude. Get down. Get down. I need the rake. Knock over the sun hat. Knock over the sun hat, please. And it didn't work. Give me that. Give me that, man. We're traversing. We're actually gonna make it. He's not coming after me. I put the rake in the lake. This is fantastic. Flowing. If he needs it that badly, he can go get it. Did that one. What else do we need? Have a picnic. Bring to the picnic blanket sandwich, apple, pumpkin, carrot, jam, thermos, radio, basket. That's a lot, man. Oh, where's the blanket? Over here? Wait, where's the blanket? There's the blanket. Okay. Hold on, I put jam over there. I knew I saw it on the menu for this evening. Get that. That's mine. Chuck that on the blanket. That's one. Sandwich and apple. Then we need a thermos. Oh, the radio and stuff though. That's his though. He's gonna come after me. Chuck this on the blanket. Got a sandwich. Got a, oh, hit this wrong. Get me out. Need the apple. God, I'm having trouble. Okay, I have an apple. Okay, so we have. Okay, I need a pumpkin, a carrot, a thermos. Oh my god. Oh wait, do I need the other part of the sandwich? Makes sense. I think I left it over here for a late night snack. Okay. Sandwich. Fantastic. Now, the hard stuff. Also, what is this? Uh-oh. 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 Is he stuck in there now? Wait, no, he's coming. No, he's not. Hold on a minute. What's going on here? Let me go through a secret entrance. Find it. Found it. Is the old man still in here? Yeah, yeah. Okay, I have an idea. Open this again. I don't think I can. That's not good. I don't care. No, you don't have to do anything about it. I'm out of here, dude. Good luck catching me. Yes, I have a carrot. Taking it all the way back here. Alright, I'll lock the man in. I wonder if I turn on the water and stuff. If he'll still like pester me. Turning on the water. Maybe that's how you make him wear a sun hat. Oh, he just uses his keys to unlock it. Wait, I'm gonna lock him out. I'm gonna lock him out. Out of my way! Out of my way. Hey, stop that, man. Okay, hold on. That might be useful though. Okay. Bring the sandwich, pumpkin, carrot, jam, thermos, radio, basket. Getting a pumpkin out of here is gonna be like. Don't worry about the carrot. Hey. Honk. Yes, yes. We're traversing. And quickly at that. He's never gonna catch me. Through the secret entrance. Bro, we're safe and clear. We're safe and clear, ladies and gentlemen. Is he running after me? If I go over there and he took my carrot back, I may not have thumbs, but I'll find a way. Alright, I have a pumpkin. Just keep zooming out every now and again. Alright. Have a picnic. We have a pumpkin. Now we need the thermos, radio, and basket. I can do that. I can do that, man. First, the thermos. Cabbage. Give me that. Run. Run for the hills. Fine now. Yes, I have a thermos. Alright, sweet. This picnic's gonna be massive. How much can one goose eat? Better not be coming this way. Okay, I need the radio. Okay, he's fine. I need... He really cares about the radio. Hey, don't look at me. I'm just investigating. I'm running. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. I have the radio. I just need the basket and I'm done. Getting stuck on things. Not after me. No! It's mine! No! I broke it. I broke the radio. No, you thought, bro. It's mine, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, fine. Have the radio. I'll go get the basket then. Give me the basket. Just give me the basket, man. I don't know who just left their sandwich out here, but you really should have taken better care of it. As long as he doesn't find the other stuff that I've already gotten. Alright, I have a basket. Pondering. Pondering on his radio. Hear me out. I just need the radio and I'm done. Oh my god. He just robbed me. The stats are from his hands, right? Yes. Yes. Picnic. I had a picnic. GG. See you, man. Make the groundskeeper hammer his thumb. What? We're doing physical harm now? Well, I know where the hammer is. I saw it. It's up here. How do we get that, though? I guess we have to pull something out the... Oh, sir. Oh. Grab the hammer. Grab the hammer. Oh. No, man, don't worry about your radio. Oh, man. This guy, man. Get over here. Follow me. I'll just bring it to you. I think as the objective is done. All right. Trust me, I'll run faster. Hey, man, that's not cool. So, oh my God, he's fast. You have your radio back. Come on. Follow me. Hurry up. What's that thing? I have his watering can. Oh, he's real fast about that. Oh, Lord have mercy. Get out of here. Where'd that radio go? Come on. Oh my. You know what? Have the radio. Go get the hammer. Okay. How you doing, man? Got his radio back. Yes, here we go. Grab your little hammer. No geese. That count? Grabbing your radio. I'm gonna disturb him. I grab the hammer. Can I beat him? Oh my God. Apparently not. How do I... Oh! Lord have mercy, he really went for it. Yes! Goddamn hammer too. That's mine now. See you, man. Should've gone better. Oh! God, he stole from me. Just spectate him for a little bit. Hey, go fix your radio. Let's go through here. What do we got? We got new fun things to explore. Don't wear it on the old man. Where am I headed? Where am I headed? Okay, there's water. Is that water? It's a road. Oh, I'm in the city. Oh, more to-do list. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, just controls. Okay, I see. I still don't know how to make him wear his hat. Maybe if I were to... Okay, whatever. To do. Break the broom. Trap the boy in the phone booth. That's messed up. Make the boy wear the wrong glasses. Make someone buy back their own stuff. Get on TV. Go shopping. And basket. Okay. Hold on. About this sun hat sitch. There's water. You don't want water on your head. What do? You put a hat on. Maybe if I like keep turning his water on, or like if I put him close to his like little water area. Grab the rose. This is kind of messed up because this is a cool rose. Probably worked hard on it, but it's fine now. Place that there. Get it. Hey, you should take back my pumpkin. That was mine, man. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Maybe if I do that without the rose being there, he'll go get his hat instead. I can't see him. Go put your rose back. Look at that, bro. This is a W Gardner. Look at this dude. Got the overalls on. He's. I didn't do it. Look at me. The rake? Oh, the rake's in the water. Wait, how do I get this? Is there like a toy like Nerf gun I can... let's see. How do I make it sunny out? Can I control the weather? Maybe? For me? I made it. Okay. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that was Untitled Goose Game. I'm definitely going to keep playing this because it is fun. Indeed. So, end it there. Everyone have a fantastic day, night, morning. Get some sleep. You know what I mean? Drink some Coke Zero. I think I have 8 minutes left to live, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways.